Hey traders, Jamie Setley here with the December 18th Daily FX Technical Focus. Quite the day in markets. Things have settled down a little bit here just past 5 p.m. New York time. Going to look at a euro-dollar opportunity. We haven't looked at the euro as far as the trading opportunity in some time. And of course, we're going to look at the dollar-yen. So I want to put another layer on. So start with the dollar-yen. Just an updated chart of what we've been looking at the last few days. You know, former support becomes resistance and vice versa, a big tenet of TA, market analysis. So I will be looking for support at former highs at 103.90. In the event of a deeper pullback, would be looking at 103.50, which is basically where we settled just after 3 p.m. in New York after the FOMC reaction. At this point, stops still need to be 102.65, but they are moved up from 102.10. Still looking towards 105.30, which is the gap from October 2008. But at this point, we want to try to put another layer on this trade, for possible extension into the next 2 weeks in the end of the year, as markets do tend to go further and faster than most suspect. Looking at the euro, if I take a look at the daily chart, you'll see a big, nasty candle that took out the last several days' price action and closed on the lows. That's a bearish candle. We talked yesterday, or at least in the technicals, wrote about the possibility of a triangle and a terminal thrust and a run up towards 139, which is the trend line off of the 2011 highs. Well, we did get a terminal thrust, but it failed even before the 2013 year-to-date high, okay, which is 38.32. We topped basically, what was that, about 38.11. Same deal here, guys. You want to see former support act as resistance. So if we drift up into 37.20 to 37.50, we'll be looking for failure and for a short opportunity to take us all the way back down towards range lows, which is actually down towards 134. All right. That's another simple thing that you might want to look at. Is this is quite simply a range, guys. Okay, you don't need a whole bunch of labels in your chart to notice that we've been trading between 38.30 and 33, and the market failed. So you want to sell a drift higher into 37.20, 37.50. Look to take it down to 34. How long it takes or if it works out, we don't know, but that is the reward to risk, and that's what I'm playing. So thank you for joining me today, and have a great night.